Hey, what's up? Did you find these in your hardware pack? What are those? Well, they're spacers, and I'm going to show you how to use them. Spacers aren't always necessary, but sometimes they are. For example, this TV is slanted. See how the bracket isn't flush to the TV? We don't want that, so we're going to use spacers. Spacers go against the TV, and the bracket goes on top, like a sandwich. Sometimes you need two. My hands are sweaty. Look at that, flush. Cut that. Why else might you need a spacer? Let's just say you gotta put the bracket over this port for your power cord. Well, you need some space, like this. Look at all that space. Or other ports, like this one. If you have any more questions, contact our customer care team. The number is at the bottom of the screen. Thank you.